more resilient. Today, as we celebrate the National Disaster Resilience Month with the theme, Kumikilos para sa Kahandaan, Kaligtasan at Katatagan, we are presented with a unique opportunity to rethink and redefine what resilience means for the Philippines. Resilience is no longer just about bouncing back or surviving after a disaster. It is about proactive preparedness, adaptive capacities, and sustainable development that empowers every Filipino to thrive, not just to survive. Let me repeat, resilience should be viewed as not merely surviving, but thriving. This year's theme emphasizes action, kumilos, kumikilos, kikilos. Ulitin ko, kumilos, kumikilos, kikilos. And today, I am here to challenge all of you to reimagine resilience with these words. At the Department of Science and Technology, we believe that true resilience is rooted in a holistic approach, integrating disaster risk reduction with social and economic progress. Our core belief is simple: to create more opportunities and wealth through science, technology, and innovation, and we must first ensure the protection of these assets, not only saving lives, livelihood, and the wealth that we have created. Wealth protection and wealth creation should be done together, and sustainability will be the core principle of our efforts. These are fundamental pillars guiding our efforts at UST. Resilience, therefore, has a face, visible in the lives of every Filipino, the lives that we have touched through our livelihood programs, in the technologies we have co-developed that foster development, and the innovative researchers that would seek to solve our most pressing problems. It is reflected in the communities, sectors, and Filipinos we empower to become more informed, prepared, and capable of facing hazards. And with our work, we have long emphasized that our role is to inspire collective action, the Bayanihan spirit of Filipinos. Science informs you, shapes behavior, and guides your decision-making. But it is with your action that makes science more powerful and practical.